Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you a study of Oliver Goldsmith's An Elegy on the Death of a Mad Dog. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Oliver Goldsmith as a poet. Oliver Goldsmith was an Irish novelist, essayist, poet and playwright who is best known for his novel The Vicar of Wakefield, the pastoral poem The Deserted Village and his plays The Good-Natured Man and She Stoops to Conquer. Although he was better known as a dramatist, Goldsmith's poetry was often comic, as is seen in his parodies An Elegy on the Death of a Mad Dog and An Elegy on the Glory of a Sex, Mrs. Mary Blaze, but at times when his compassion was touched, he created some commendable solemn poems, the most outstanding of which is The Deserted Village, which is based on a protest against the economic and social conditions that were forcing enormous reallocation of the masses from villages to cities. Now let's look at the Elegy on the Death of a Mad Dog by Oliver Goldsmith. Good people all of every sort, give ear unto my song, and if you find it wondrous short, it cannot hold you long. In Islington there was a man, of whom the world might say, that still a godly race he ran, whenever he went to pray. A kind and gentle heart he had, to comfort friends and foes. The naked every day he clad, when he put on his clothes. And in that town a dog was found, as many dogs there be, both mongrel, puppy, whelp and hound, and curs of low degree. This dog and man at first were friends, but when a pick began, the dog, to gain some private ends, went mad and bite the man. Around from all the neighbouring streets, the wondering neighbours ran, and swore the dog has lost his wits to bite so good a man. The wounded seemed both sore and sad to every Christian eye, and while they swore the dog was mad, they swore the man would die. But soon a wonder came to light that showed the rogues they lied. The man recovered of the bite, the dog it was that died. Now let's look at the explanation of the elegy. The poem is in ballad form and it not only invites the attention of the readers but also instigates them indirectly and expects them to take pleasure in observing the diverse behavior pattern of a dog. That is, the poet might even be referring to a human character in the form of a dog. In the second stanza, the poet highlights the character from Islington, emphasizing upon the man's deceptive outward appearance. The third stanza talks about the kind and gentle behavior that the man had in the company of his friends and how he would attempt to comfort not only his friends but foes too. The next stanza refers to the villainous dog, which is a member of the canine family, which has other varieties too, like the mongrel, puppy, whelp and hound. And then the paradox in the last stanza highlighting the central theme of the poet, the man recovered from the bite dog and it was the dog that died. Now let's look at the summary of the elegy. Oliver Goldsmith, in his poem Elegy written on the death of a mad dog, narrates a rather amusing story, inducing laughter and at the same time expressing the incident in a skeptical manner. The narrator of the poem definitely has a sense of emotional outburst and caring concern when he talks about the poor and the destitute. The poet tries to highlight that this God-fearing religious good man from Islington has indeed a very kind and gentle heart. The man's personality is infused with wonderful inner spiritual quality, and so he is a comfort not just to his friends but enemies as well. Definitely the community that the man resides in has a high respect for his caring and compassionate behavior. And so they believe that definitely the dog has lost its wits when he bites the man. But ironically enough, it is the dog that dies of the venom of the corrupt man, justifying the meanness of the man and the society at large. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this English literature series and learned a lot. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.